In our dynamic, ever-evolving world, the demand for customization has triggered an exponential rise in product variances. When a myriad of variations is introduced, the instructions to our operator can sometimes become unclear. The result? A potential slowdown in the assembly process. As product variance grows, a beacon of hope shines through the fog of complexity. Enter our game-changing solution. A digital work instruction software specifically designed to tackle the challenges related to product variance. Our software's product variance feature provides operators with clear, step-by-step instructions tailored to each product variant. What's more, when consulting the work instructions, the operator no longer has to sift through a mountain of paperwork. Instead, the operator simply scans the product order, and the specific variant work instruction appears on their screen. No more guesswork, no more wasted time. Just clear, accurate information at their fingertips, reducing errors and boosting productivity. And last but not least, no more hassle in maintaining these different product variances.